So the next question in interview, let me ask you, what is interface in Java? What is interface in Java? Okay. So what is interface in Java? We knew that, guys. Java doesn't support multiple or hybrid inheritance. Okay. Java doesn't support multiple or hybrid inheritance. Okay. So we can say partially to overcome that drawback, Java provides interfaces. We can say partially to overcome that drawback, Java provides interfaces. And we knew that more than one interfaces we can use in a single class. More than one interfaces we can use in a single class, but more than one classes we cannot use in a single class. Okay, we cannot extend into single class, but we can use more than one interfaces. We can implement more than one interfaces into single class. Okay, so how we declare interface? By using interface keyword we declare interface. By using interface keyword we declare interface. And interfaces, okay, interface is a collection. Okay, interface is the collection of abstract method. Interface is the collection of abstract method and final static variables only. Okay, interface is the collection of abstract method. It means to say in interface we can declare only abstract method and final static variables. But from Java 8, okay, we can also declare static method there and default method. Okay, but from Java 8 we can declare a static method and default method also. Okay, and from Java 9 also, okay, there we can write a private method also, guys. Okay, so now, okay, if we talk about interface, okay, after Java 9, so or Java 9 and onwards, so we can say interface is the collection of abstract method, final static variables, then static method, then default method, and then private method from Java 9, guys. Okay, so now we can have one example. Suppose we write interface. Okay, interface, like for example I write a test 63, guys. Okay, and then interface, okay, I declare, like for example I said public, okay, static, okay, abstract, okay, or public final, okay, public final, or public int a, okay, public int a and 10. Okay, now you can see, guys, okay, this variable will be final variable, okay. And now suppose I want to declare abstract method, so I can say, okay, public void, okay, show method. So show method will be the abstract method. Okay, so had we declare this method as a abstract or not, okay, so it will be fine, guys. Okay, so by default this method will be abstract, by default this variable will be final, okay, and by default this variable also static. Okay, so if we declare or not, okay, it will work, guys. Okay, so now, okay, by default this variable is final static, by default this method is, okay, abstract method. Okay, so if we declare or not, okay, still it will work. Then from Java 8 we can write static method, public static method, guys. Okay, public static void, I can say show to method. Okay, so now this will be the static method. I can declare static method. Okay, from Java 8 I can declare default method we can declare by using default keyword, guys. Okay, like for example I write show 3 method. Okay, so now, okay, now, so this is called default method. And then I can write a private method also. Okay, so private void, okay, like for example show 4. Okay, but this code will not work, guys, because my NetBeans using JDK 8 version, my NetBeans using JDK 8 version. So if we write this code, by using Java 9, so this method will work there, guys. Okay, so we can write private method also. So now this is interface in Java, guys. Okay, so what is interface? Interface is the collection of final static variable, abstract method, static method, and default method. And from Java 9 we can also declare private method, guys. Okay, so thank you.